Hi, ladies and gentlemen. This is how to repair or adjust a loose belt in a butterfly sewing machine. But first thing first, you need to be sure that it is loose. Now, how do you know it is loose? Now, when you're trying to sew, like so, okay, it's moving, it's moving, it's moving. And when I try to wind my bobbin, like so, it stops while I'm still moving the pedal. You see? So the belt is just rubbing. You see, it is not even moving. So when I try to move again along while I'm hold up. Okay. And I'm trying to wind this bobby right now. It stops. So this means the belt is loose. Now all you need to do is to stop moving the pedal and take this belt out, adjust so that you can go back to work. Now let's do this. Okay, the first thing we're going to check is that let's look for the pin holding this belt together to see if it is in order. Now let's wind. Okay, here we go. So problem like that can also be caused by this. So you know when this belt moves in here and out from here, yes, in here and out from here. So when coming out from here, as it is right now, it can hook like so, like this, here like this, you see, something like this. So this is no good for a sewing machine belt. And also coming out at the same time, you can also notice that it's also hook up here, so we don't want that. So with that being said, this belt is loose and the pin is not in order. So we have to do is cut a little bit out from here and here, or just cut a little bit out from here and then pierce another hole top and bottom so you can put this pin back again. You understand? Okay, let's do this. So now I'm taking out the belt. So this is how you take out. You just do like this and then you pedal after rolling the wheel. Okay, let's do this right here. Okay, now this is how you take out the belt. It's very simple. Now just look for the particular place where there is the hook. Okay, here we go. So we need to cut. Now go grab something like this from your workshop. So this PS2, I believe, is still in good condition. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm just gonna cut from this part of it. Just gonna cut maybe half an inch. So now I'm bringing this in, and I'm just gonna cut half an inch. Let's say 0.4 or half. So what you need to understand is that you can keep on adjusting this belt from time to time, but it doesn't get loose or slack quick. So you can always repeat the same step whenever the belt is loose. Now what you need to do next is that now you're gonna have to bring this in and then pierce a new hole here. Okay. Like so. Like this. Okay. Now we're just gonna just watch me doing this right here. Now if the hole is not wide enough, you can always make it wider so that it can accompany the pin that you're about to use in holding it. Just make it wider. Now bring this big man back in. Okay. Now right after that, this is what you do next. It's install back. Take it back down. And now it's back down, okay? Okay. Now check us out, man. Okay, now let me wind this bobbin and see if we're good or not. So with that being said, Sean, done. You heard me? Hope you learned from this, and this is how we adjusted the belt in a butterfly sewing machine. So whenever and ever you're having problem with the belt, like this one a while ago, but now it is fixed already. Now I hope yours is fixed already. So at the same time, thanks and be good.